Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 30th November 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please remember, the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Maye Musk, the mother of tech mogul Elon Musk, is making waves in China as a silver-haired influencer. At 76, she's captured the hearts of many on social media platforms like Xiaohongshu and Douyin. Her visits to numerous Chinese cities and her admiration for the country's infrastructure have only boosted her popularity. Maye's 2019 memoir, A Woman Makes a Plan, has struck a chord with Chinese women who see her as a beacon of resilience and independence. Her story of raising 3 children as a single mother while pursuing a successful career resonates deeply. As Elon Musk navigates a cooling public opinion in China, Maye's positive image could serve as a buffer, potentially softening any backlash against him. Her influence not only elevates her own brand, but also adds a human touch to Elon's business ventures in the region. In political news, Elon Musk has been appointed by Donald Trump to co-lead a commission aimed at reducing the size of the federal government. This move has sparked concerns about possible conflicts of interest, particularly regarding rural broadband funding. Musk has been vocal in his criticism of the Biden administration's Broadband Equity, Access and Deployment (BEAD) program, which dedicates $42.45 billion to improve high-speed internet access in rural areas. Starlink, Musk's satellite internet company, was excluded from this funding due to not meeting government speed standards. With Trump's election, Musk might steer federal broadband policy to favor Starlink, potentially at the expense of fiber-optic broadband funding. Telecommunications analyst Blair Levin points out the unique situation of Musk's dual role as a major shareholder in a communications company, while having the power to influence government efficiency. The possibility of Trump withholding BEAD funding, despite congressional authorization, could lead to legal battles. Musk has previously criticized the BEAD program as a misuse of taxpayer money, advocating instead for government support of Starlink services. Meanwhile, Republican senators are pushing for changes to the BEAD program, with some suggesting a shift in funding from fiber-optic projects to satellite services like Starlink. Despite Starlink's revenue growth, it faces stiff competition from other satellite providers and traditional internet services. The ongoing debate over broadband funding underscores the tension between satellite and fiber-optic technologies, with many experts maintaining that fiber remains the superior choice for reliable internet connectivity. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of Elon Musk and his ventures informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.